Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your taxes with TurboTax, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the TurboTax website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Select the appropriate version of TurboTax based on your tax situation. Once on the dashboard, click on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Provide details about your income, including W-2s and 1099s. If you have multiple income sources, ensure you enter each source accurately. Next, TurboTax will guide you through potential deductions and credits. Answer questions about your eligible expenses, such as mortgage interest or medical expenses. Review the suggestions TurboTax provides to maximize your refund. Once you have completed the income and deduction sections, proceed to review your entries. Verify that all information is accurate and up to date. Use the built-in error checking feature to identify any discrepancies. After ensuring everything is correct, move on to the filing section. Choose between e-filing or printing your return to mail it. If e-filing, follow the prompts to submit your return electronically. Provide payment information if you owe taxes or choose to set up a payment plan. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation of your submission. After filing, use TurboTax to track the status of your return. Review any follow-up steps suggested by TurboTax after filing. Remember to save a copy of your return for your records. Consider setting up reminders for next year's tax preparation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.